How would you like to get a high-end mascara look while paying drugstore mascara prices? I have a mascara look for you to lengthen and thicken your lashes, and it's all with drugstore mascara. Hi, if you're new here, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I do have a hack for you that's to make your lashes longer and thicker, and I'm going to use 2 drugstore products, 2 mascaras. So let's get right to it, and we'll start with me. I'm going to have on all of my makeup except for mascara. I've done all of my makeup except for mascara, so now I'm ready to go in with the first mascara, Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. And this one is a nice lengthening mascara. Here is what the wand looks like. The Maybelline Lash Stiletto Mascara will give your lashes nice length. I go over a section of my lashes with about 15 to 20 swipes of the brush. You'll notice that it only lengthens my lashes. It doesn't give my lashes a thick look though. Ever since I started using Care Post, which is the generic Latisse, using that every night. Well, not ever since, so 3 or 4 months after I started using it, my lashes got longer. So they look short. My lashes are still blonde, but they used to be even shorter. So this Lash Stiletto puts on a good coating. Sometimes I have some lashes that don't want to cooperate until they grow out a little bit or new lashes come in. I've got a problem with a little bit right in here where they're not really cooperating for the last few weeks. So that's pretty long for me. Now I'm going to go in with the second mascara while this one's wet. And I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic. I just like the regular, but it does come in waterproof and it comes in other colors besides black. It also comes in something called carbon. I just bought a new one. And you see, yeah, this wand is really thin. But instead of using it as a thickening, instead of using it as a lengthening, like this wand looks like a lengthening mascara, I use it to thicken. And you can see my lashes getting thicker after I use the Maybelline. Alright. So that's that one. I still like my lower lashes to be done with the Maybelline Full and Soft. This is another affordable mascara. It's not a skinny wand, it's a regular wand, but I find it really easy to apply to the lower. And that is my right eye that you can see on the left. If your lashes get clumped together, you just make a mistake or you get too much mascara on, these little combs are really nice. I'll find one, and I've had this one for a long time, but I'll find one and I'll link it in the description box below the video. Really fine tooth, they're metal, and then you can use a mirror and then comb through that little clump. This is really excellent, and I just keep it handy with my mascara. All right, so I haven't done my hair or anything or put on any jewelry. I'll be right back. Another fun hack a friend taught me years ago is when I open a brand new mascara, I write the date on a little bit of Post-it note, the sticky part of the Post-it note, And then I attach it to the mascara. And of course, then I have to use some kind of Scotch tape, clear tape over it to hold it on, because even though the Post-it note's sticky, it doesn't stay on there. So here's my new telescopic. I had to wait for Ulta to get this in. So you might just order it online if you can't find it in a local store. Of course, everything I talked about today will be linked in the description box below, including all of the other makeup I'm wearing. So tap more to open the description box and scroll through to where it says product shown or mentioned. And then check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen. And I'll see you in the next video.